Have you been searching for an online job that pays well and doesn't require any experience? The easiest way to earn money online is by typing Captchas. You can now earn up to $535 per week simply by typing simple Captcha words. You can earn money from home. You don't need to learn any new skills or submit your personal data. It's 100% safe and secure. In this video, I will show you how to make money by typing Captchas. But before we start, make sure to stay till the end of this video as I will share amazing methods to make more than $1,000 a day. Also, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I am always sharing new amazing and effective free methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. Now, let's jump to our today video. You're about to learn a completely new way of making money online by simply typing Captchas. You don't need any skills, experience, or special skills in order to make this work. If you work hard and stay motivated, only you need a computer and internet connections to make money. There are many websites that offer typing Captcha services. You can work from home and make money by typing Captchas for these websites. I want you to go to a website called 2captcha.com. 2captcha.com is a website that allows you to easily earn extra money on the internet. To start work, you only have to register an account. Simply you can sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. And then the system will guide you through training tasks to show you what to do. All you need is a computer or a smartphone with internet access. And of course, you'll need to pass a simple free training that takes just 5 to 10 minutes. Working on 2Captcha is quite simple, just hit Start Work. Then the system will start to show you images with text and you should type this text to the form you're given. You can work as much or little as you want at any time, at your convenience. It is running 24/7, so you always have a job. You can work in a few minutes or a couple of hours. You make your own hours. You can make money with Captcha, but it's not big bucks and the work is a bit monotonous. But it is okay if you have free time and need just a few bucks as a side hustle. But if you want to make good money online, so this is not the perfect method. Don't worry. I found the amazing method that gives you $1,000 each and every day. Yes. You heard it right, $1,000 a day. I will share with you everything from the initial steps to the best methods for enhancing your strategy to make money online. Ready to take the next step with us? Click the below links and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Thank you for watching till the end. If you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos.